Okay, I want to quickly show you on how to solve this type of question. So, and the question says, the ages of 3 men are in the ratio 3:4:5. If the difference between the ages of the oldest and the youngest is 18 years, find the sum of the ages of the 3 men. So, looking at these questions, what we need to do, we need to bring the noted parameter so that we'll be able to construct the solution. So now, I will go by saying, so we are having our ratio here. So what is this ratio? We have ratio, our ratio. Now, I want to do the solution. Then our ratio is 3:4:5, which means 5 is the oldest, 3 is the youngest. Oldest, youngest. Now, let's now find what will be our total ratio. So I'm going to call it total ratio. That means 3 plus 4 plus 5. And that will give us 12. So we already know our total ratio. Then we are told to find the sum of the ages of the 3 men. So we are saying let the sum of their ages. So we are representing it as x. Now, I will know how to find the ratio. To find ratio is to use now to get the oldest portion. The oldest portion now. That is the oldest age. That will give us the ratio of the oldest, which is 5, over total ratio, which is 12, multiplied by the sum of their ages, which is s. So that will give us 5x over 12. Then also find the youngest age, which will give us the ratio of the youngest age is 3. That is 3 over the total, that is total age, which will give us 12 multiplied by the total sum of their ages. So that will give us 3s over 12. Now, when we now come back to the questions, the question says, if the difference between the ages of the oldest, which we find, and the youngest is 18, then, so we can use that statement to construct statement. So, which means we are having the oldest, which is starting from this end, which is going to give me the difference between the ages. That is 5x over 12 minus 3x. And don't forget, this is the portion, the ages of the oldest, while this also the second one is the age of the youngest. So now we can find the LCM. They have common number, which means we can use 12. Then 12 in 12, 1 times 5, that is 5x. Then minus 12 in 12, 1 times 3s, we have 3s. So that will give us 2x over 12. And don't forget, they said the difference, this is the difference now. This is the difference that we're having now. The difference between these, the ages of the oldest and the youngest, is 18. So we can now say that our 2s over 12 is equals to 18. So by the time we cross multiply this over 1, can now say that we are having, it implies that 2s is equals to 18 multiplied by 12. So we can divide 2 by 2, then we can now have x to be equals to 2 cancel 2 here, 1, 2 here, 9 times 12, that's 108 years. So this is the summation of all the ages. So this is how you deal with this type of question. Thank you.